Story 1. Carrier Global, CARR, stock rose 3.3% to $70.06. Wolf Research raised its price target to $80, citing strong demand driven by extreme weather and recovery in residential HVAC markets. The shares remain 13.2% below their 52-week high of $80.73. Story 2. Middleby shares rose 3% to $137.35 after completing the spin-off of Mid-Era Food Processing. The company received a $233 million cash distribution to reduce debt. The market is viewing the move as meaningful but not transformative. Story 3. Plug Power, Plug, stock fell 5% after Susquehanna lowered its price target to $2.50. Amid sector-wide profit-taking following a rally driven by AI data center power demand. With shares trading at $2.26, 45.5% below its May 2026 52-week high of $4.14. Story 4. Apple sued OpenAI for trade secret theft, alleging over 400 former Apple employees, including key hires like Tang Tan and Chang Lu, systematically stole confidential info on unreleased products. The staff allegedly bypassed standard exit protocols to secure this data, directly supporting OpenAI's upcoming hardware launch. OpenAI faces further accusations of misleading strategic partners into accidentally disclosing proprietary technologies. Story 5. First Sun Capital forecasts $43 million in second quarter charge-offs, including a $22 million fraud-related loss. This comes amid rising industry-wide fraud concerns, as highlighted by lenders like Gelt Financial's Jack Miller. Miller notes that fraud is becoming increasingly prevalent due to mounting economic pressures and the proliferation of advanced document forgery tools. Story 6. Lazard rose 4.4% after being named advisor to Warburg Pincus on a $3.6 billion deal. Cloudflare jumped 6% on Scotiabank's upgrade to $300 target. DigitalOcean surged 7% on preliminary Q2 2026 RPO exceeding $800 million. Sonos gained 2.5% on AdsWiz agreement renewal. Carnival rose 5.3% on 15-cent quarterly dividend announcement. Story 7. Trade Desk stock fell 52.4% in H1 2026, per S&P Global Market Intelligence, due to slowing growth, with the company guiding to 8% Q2 revenue growth. The market decline was exacerbated by executive turnover and a public dispute with major client Publicis Group, shaking investor confidence. Despite CEO Jeff Green's $150 million stock buyback to show confidence, the market remained bearish and drove the share price lower.